So let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and add in RSS feeds from other blogs or posts into my particular WordPress site right here. In that case, you can go ahead and utilize something called an RSS block. So to do that, you can go in between any two blocks and click on the plus button and type in RSS right here. So once you go ahead and do that, select RSS, and then over here you can see that it says you can display entries from any RSS or an Atom feed. So simply go ahead and paste out a link right here. So I have this RSS feed link from my blogspot right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and keep this address and click on apply right here. So once you do that, you can actually see the RSS feed right here, just like this, from that particular blog. So let me just go ahead and save this, and let's say, for example, view the post right here. And once you do that, you can see that these are the different blog posts from my Blogspot website or Blogspot blogger right here. If I were to click, then what happens is that it simply gets redirected onto my Blogspot right here. And if you want to learn more about Blogspot, you can check my tutorial series on that as well. And then this is what you can do with the RSS feed right here. You can have it in the list view, or you can go around, edit the RSS URL right here as well. And apart from that, you can also go around onto grid view as well and display it out right here. Display author, display the date right here, just like this, and change around the number as well, just like this as well. You can change around the columns right here, just like this, and then work around with everything else, as you can see right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with RSS block inside of WordPress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.